help Maha moms and dads across America not just get the answers they deserve, but know that they have a partner in the Trump administration to do something about their concerns. At the Trump EPA, we are accelerating innovative and vetted crop protection products to enhance an American system of agriculture that is already the best in the world. At the same time, EPA is aggressively confronting and addressing the threat of banned pesticides imported or smuggled into the United States from China and elsewhere. These are highly toxic substances that can be fatal to humans and animals and damage our environment. It is a top priority in line with the Make America Healthy Commission to protect Americans from this threat. This year, the Trump EPA rejected 6 herbicide products from Sharda CropChem because the company's applications had multiple errors, including wrong calculations, studies that didn't match the actual ingredients, and other data problems. When the EPA asked the company to fix these issues, they didn't respond, so the applications were rejected. We can ensure the safe use of the chemicals EPA regulates, not those illegally imported or otherwise proven to be dangerous. The safe use of chemicals is responsible for transporting, building, feeding, and powering the great American comeback. At the Trump EPA, to ensure more timely reviews, we are increasing scientific capacity in our Office of Chemical Safety and Pollution Prevention and Office of Water. We're also looking at new ways to use advanced technology and science to inform decisions. We are committed to ensuring all work conducted by EPA is consistent with gold standard science, including the work of our chemicals, air, and water programs. Together with USDA and in partnership with the private sector, EPA is working to advance precision agriculture. I've seen demonstrations in my travels throughout the U.S. using drones, computer-assisted spray technologies, and robotic monitoring. And by the way, during those travels across the country, especially over the course of these last couple of months, and I heard Secretary Rollins touching on this shortly before we gathered out here, the feedback from America's farmers, heaping praise on Secretary Kennedy, on Callie Means, on Dr. Heidi Overton for all of the meetings, the consultation over the course of these last few months. We've heard it from states all across America, and it really shows just how wide-ranging and thoughtful Secretary Kennedy and his team have been throughout this process. By focusing on working with our partners at USDA and HHS, especially in permitting, crop protection, and agricultural inputs, EPA can directly support healthier outcomes for children. Prioritizing new approach methods moves us away from animal testing and will provide new tools to look at impacts of chemical exposures, including cumulative exposures. This strategy outlines the keys to success, from pro-growth policies that advance research to drive innovation, to private sector collaboration and increased public awareness. I look forward to continuing to work collaboratively across the federal family to ensure our kids and our environment are protected. This approach is directly targeted at solving the crisis of America's childhood chronic disease. I want to assure that ultimately the safety, especially that of children, that science and the law will all guide the great work we're doing and we're going to continue to do over the course of this administration. America will continue to be the energy, industrial, and agricultural power of the world, and we can continue this while ensuring we have the healthiest children. Thank you to the American public for putting President Trump in the Oval Office. Every day that he is there, working closely with this team that he has assembled with all of those amazing, passionate Maha moms and dads all across